Hello. So in the last video, we worked on converting degrees to radians and came across the following equations, where x number of degrees is equal to pi over 180 times that same number of degrees in radians. That's how you convert it from degrees to radians. So you plug in your number of degrees here and find your radians. And x number of radians is equal to 180 times that x over pi degrees for conversion. And we only worked with degrees to radians, which I'm going to highlight. We only worked with this one. And today I'd like to work with this one. And I think we worked with this one only in the last video because we're really familiar with degrees, and it was useful to open our eyes to the world of radians. But now that we are in the world of radians, and we like using integers, we are going to convert from radians to degrees. So let's say we have 2 radians. 2 is our x, is equal to, in radians. These parentheses just means it's in radians or it's in degrees. They're not actual things we were multiplying by. Oops. Gave my pi another hat. Is equal to 180 times 2 over pi. And this is easy enough to solve. It's equal to, 360 over pi, which I'm going to tell you right now using my trusty calculator. 360 divided by pi it's hard converting from integer radians into degrees because how much pi is involved. I'm going to make this approximately equal to 115 degrees. Alright, great. How about 4 radians is our x? That's equal to 180 times 4 over pi. And as we can easily see here, that's right, 40 plus 32, that's 720 over pi, which I can tell you yet again is approximately, I keep not writing the approximation sign, 229, and twice the one before it, but I approximated, so it's not exactly that way. How about something not a multiple, like 5? Alright, just plug it in. As long as you understand what it's being plugged into, you can just plug it in. You must understand that this is here so that when x in radians is pi, the pi's cancel out and we get 180 degrees because pi radians is 180 degrees. That's one convention. And so if degrees are 180, they cancel out to give us pi. Maybe we'll give an example of that. Here, that's coming next. So 5 is 180 times 5 over pi. Right? And that's just going to be 900. It's a big O there, right? 500 plus the 400 over pi. I can tell you that too. That is approximately equal to, this is the approximately sign. It's a squiggly equal sign. 286 degrees. So this is great. This is a little past 3/4 of the way around, if you can picture that. This is an angle like, like that. That's our angle here. This is the 286 degrees. It's pretty big. How about pi? Let's plug it in. Pi is equal to 180 times pi over pi. Those cancel. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. Which we know to be true. Pi radians is 180 degrees. Because when we have 190 degrees, pi, our angle in radians, times the radius, whatever it is, will be half of the circumference, the arc length of 180 degrees. So, this was a fairly brief and simple video, but I hope it helped a little bit. Thanks for watching.